Open the Yale Home app, then tap the bottom right menu icon. Tap Automations. Tap the top right plus icon. Select Create an Automation. From the top options, select Lock. Then from below, select Unlock Automation. Select the lock that will automatically disarm your alarm when unlocked. Tap Connect to link the lock to your Yale Smart Alarm. Give the automation a name so that you can easily identify it within the automations list. Your automation has been created and will appear in your automations list. Your Yale Smart Alarm will now automatically disarm when the selected smart lock is unlocked.